Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope very well. I'm trying a new place this week. I actually found it on Google, just Googled it. And I gotta kind of dig down in here, but I got onion rings this time. I just wanted to try them. I'm a little irritated because they offered onion rings as a side, but when I told them I wanted them on the burger, he said, "Oh, we don't do that." I also got tater tots. I really like tater tots. So here's the burger. Now I went with because it was called the Little Chicken Burger, I ordered the crispy chicken burger sandwich. So here it is. Turn the camera down to show it to you. Right, so here's the pre-bite look. So I went with the lettuce, tomato, pickle, bacon, Swiss cheese with the crispy chicken. And what I do with them, and of course the tots here. Alrighty, I use the wrapper so I don't drip and spill everything everywhere. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, I also got a side of their special sauce. It looks just like the mayo ketchup I see. It's got a redder, darker color. There's like a little bit more flavor in there. Not bad. I also threw in some tartar sauce. For the onion rings, which was nice of them. Alright, well, enjoy my lunch. Almost forgot the post-bite look. So, there's the sauce. Let's talk about, you can see the darker color. So. Alrighty, so that was a really good chicken sandwich. Unfortunately, I'm so full now, I can't even eat my tots. So, damn. I mean, I could force them down, but then I'm gonna be sitting around with a food coma all day, and that's just not good for anybody. You're just like, so. And I hadn't intended on getting onion rings. I wanted them as an add-on, which we're gonna go over the menu right now. Now, I'll go over what I'm talking about, and I'll explain when I do the menu, which I'll have to do at home, because they have a really, really interesting menu, which I'll show you right now. So I'm currently editing the video you're about to watch. Got the clips right there. So here is the Little Chicken Burger, Burien, Washington. Over too far. Let's make sure we're centered. Now here's where it's a little different than other places. Where is their menu? Oh, they actually Okay, that's not the way it was laid out. Okay, that's not the way I saw it laid out yesterday when I looked this place up. I had it wrong. Now what this place is... Wow, why is it laying out differently? Okay, this is not the way it was laid out when I was looking at it. Like they must have just changed it. Well, that's a little frustrating. Well, anyway, how it was laid out when I was looking at it was you basically you build your own burger by you pick your patty, then you pick your bun, then you pick what condiments you wanted, like lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. Then you pick your sides, and then you pick your add-ons like meat. So it's like single burger, double burger, triple burger, crispy chicken patty, which is the one that I got. You can get an Impossible Patty grilled chicken patty. Then they have chicken fingers and fries. They have a Philly cheesesteak sandwich with fries, which I didn't have. I got the crispy chicken. They got onion rings. They got fries. Oh, they got the combo, so drink and fries. Then they have fries, jalapeno poppers, mozzarella sticks, and a sampler deluxe. Looks like it's just a few things. And then they have... See, this is all different than I looked at it the other day. Then they have signature burgers. They must have just changed it. Like, literally in like a few days. And then they have signature burgers, the B-Town burger, pineapple whisper, the fish sandwich, which is just a piece of fish on a bun. Then they had milkshakes, Oreo, strawberry, chocolate. I brought my own drinks. I didn't have to buy a drink. They have Coca-Cola products and then mini churros. Now it was laid out, the way I was looking at it, was laid out like differently. And they had it to where and when I went in there and I ordered it, that's the way I ordered. I said, alright, I want crispy chicken patty. I want, the Kaiser bun. I told them what vegetables I wanted, lettuce, tomato, pickle. And then that's just the way it was. But they must have just changed it because it's not the same menu I looked at the other day. Because they had, as an add-on, they had bacon, they had mushrooms, they had other stuff as an add-on. And he says, well, we don't do that. Because I ordered it on Friday, and now their menu is all different. And I don't even see add-ons anymore. So I think they must have just changed it, which is why they're not doing it. But anyway, that's their menu. Alright, so there we go. That's kind of what I meant by side versus add-on. So I don't know if they were just doing that to make $5. But I was a little annoyed by that. Anyway, I was asked last week's video if I had a favorite place out of all these, the whole list of places I've been to. And honestly, still the ringleader, it's got to be Red Mill. I mean, I went back there twice. Once for the burger, second time for the chicken sandwich, which was also really good. So, yeah, there's just something about the combination. The really great mill sauce, the freshness of the ingredients. The whole package is just a phenomenal burger. I don't know what it is. Could be the thick cut pepper bacon that that's draped over the burger. It's just fantastic. So Red Mill's still my number one. I mean, everything else was really good. Even Dick's was really good. This place had a good burger. Out and About had a really good burger. Would definitely go back there again. Most of those places, some of those places I'd never been to before, but would go back. So, yeah. Anyway, I do appreciate watching. There'll be a playlist linked below for other places I've tried. And as always, have yourselves a fantastic day.